Welcome to US Classic Muscle Cars. Please enjoy the next video and don't forget to subscribe.
Hi, my name is Mitch Christ. I'm with Midwest Musclecars Restoration in Allington, Wisconsin. Today we have the owner of the 71 Cuda that we are doing the restoration on. His name is Mike Kostravias.
Yep, and Mitch and his dad, Carl, have been doing work on this car for me for the past 6 years. It was pretty much a basket case when I brought it to them, but as you can see, it doesn't really look like that anymore. They did the paint, the body, a lot of sheet metal work to it, a lot of panel fitment. As you can see, the paint looks beautiful. It has a 70 HP to 446 pack in it. 833 4-speed, a Dana 60 with 410 gears. That's about. When I first got the car, yeah, it was pretty rough. It was basically a field car out of Washington. Has had, like I said, multiple sheet metal work done to it. But all the exterior panels on it are original. The fenders are real Cuda fenders. It's a real Cuda hood. The grill.
How did you find this car?
I found it through a friend of mine who had purchased it out of Washington. And I bought it through him. And
Can we
yep.
take a look at the engine?
It's not complete. The car's not done yet, but you can see it.
Video number 2 a little bit later.
Yeah, you can see what it looks like. I don't even know. I think it's still wrapped up somewhat, but kind of got to lift up here.
Oh yeah.
But
All right.
But yeah, there it is.
There you go. That
Yeah.
is sweet. Now
It's a 440 cubic inch Chrysler big block.
Okay.
Like I said, it's a HP2 block. It's got the 6-pack on it. That's with the aluminum intake, which I know isn't correct for it, but shaves a little weight off of it.
That's going to be so sweet. And that's going to be how much torque, how much horsepower?
Factory rated was it's a 70 motor, so it's factory rated at 390 horsepower and 490 foot-pounds of torque. It does have a different cam in it. It has the old Mopar purple shaft 484 cam in it, so it'll be a little bit more than that. But yeah, that's about it.
That is sweet.
Yep.
Now you're happy with your choice?
Oh yeah, they've been amazing. They've helped me every step of the way. They went above and beyond the expectations I had.
Where are they located and what's your phone number?
They're located in Allington, Wisconsin, which is about 30 minutes north of Milwaukee.
Okay.
And that is, I don't know, what's your phone number off cuff?
Our phone number is 262-629-1362. And this car, it is sprayed with PPG, DBC, is it EF5? FE5, sorry.
Yep.
And also PPG Vibrance Clear. The billboard stripes came from Performance Car Graphics. And the owner picked out these beautiful Krager wheels on here that they're just, absolutely. And the Mickey Thompson Sportsman tires to just really complete the package on this beautiful Cuda that we did here.
Yep, I love it. I'm happy.
Oh, absolutely. I'm happy too. I know come spring, we're all excited to see this thing burning some rubber in front of the shop and hopefully see it at a couple of local car shows too.
Yep.
How much longer until completion? No, it's really not that far away. Really, we just got to finish up some wiring and finish the interior in the car. And so I'd expect a couple months.
Sure.
Good. So yeah, by come springtime, he'll be burning the tires up.
There you go. We were there.
Yep.
Absolutely.
Yep. That is terrific. And it's got that color red, and it's so sweet because it's got red, and it's
That's the factory color. That's
Yep.
what Carla originally was.
That is sweet. Good luck to you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.